Have you ever gone to a huge event in the US and suddenly felt nervous about your English? Crowds are loud, people speak fast, and you don't always know what to say, especially at something as big as the Super Bowl.
In this video, you'll practice real, natural English for attending the Super Bowl in person, from arriving at the stadium to ordering food and cheering with the crowd.
This conversation will help you feel calmer, more confident, and more prepared to speak English in exciting real-life situations. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. All right, let's go to the Super Bowl.
I still can't believe we're actually here in Santa Clara.
I know. A few weeks ago, this was just an idea, and now we're walking toward the stadium.
Buying the tickets felt like the hardest part.
Totally. Between prices, seating options, and timing, it takes some patience.
I'm glad we didn't wait too long, though.
Same here. Once tickets start selling fast, the stress level goes way up.
Wow, there are so many people here already, and the game doesn't even start for hours.
That's because a lot of fans come early for the tailgate.
I've heard about tailgates, but I've never been to one.
You'll like it. A tailgate is basically a pre-game party in the parking lot.
So people just show up and start socializing?
Pretty much. They bring food, drinks, chairs, and sometimes even grills.
That explains the smell of burgers.
Yeah, grilling food is a big part of tailgating culture.
If someone invites you to join their tailgate, what should you say?
A good response is, sure, that sounds fun. Can I bring anything?
That's polite and helpful.
Right, even bringing drinks or snacks is appreciated.
I like how social it feels. People don't even need to know each other.
That's part of the charm. Sports make it easy to start conversations. All right, I think it's time to head inside.
Wow, seeing the stadium in person feels completely different than on TV.
And really does. Everything feels bigger. The screens, the field, even the sound.
Let's double-check our section before we go up.
Good call. Section 432, upper level. That means higher seats but a wide view of the field.
I actually like that. You can see the whole game. Before kickoff, do you want to grab some food?
That might be smart.
All right, I'm thinking fries and a hot dog. Something easy.
Same here. Stadium food isn't fancy, but it's part of the experience.
True. Okay, let's go now before the line gets out of control. Looks like everyone's starting to stand up. Oh, that must mean the national anthem is about to begin.
That's right. Before the game starts, the U.S. national anthem is performed.
I notice people are standing and removing their hats.
That's a sign of respect. It's customary here.
The singer has a strong voice.
When people say a performance was powerful, they mean it was emotional and impressive.
That makes sense. It feels like an important moment.
It is. The anthem officially opens the game.
All right, here we go. Kickoff is about to happen.
This is the moment everyone's been waiting for all night.
Listen to that crowd. You can feel the energy everywhere.
That's what makes live sports special. Thousands of people reacting together.
All right, I've decided. I'm cheering for the Patriots.
Fair enough. I'm going with the Seahawks.
Go Patriots!
Go Seahawks!
Wow, even shouting with the crowd feels powerful.
It really does. You don't even need perfect English in moments like this.
Just emotion and participation.
Exactly. I mean, that's the point.
No matter who wins, I'm really glad we came.
Same here. This is one of those experiences that stays with you.
Looks like the teams are heading off the field.
That means it's time for the halftime show.
I've heard people talk about this even more than the game sometimes.
That happens a lot. The halftime show is a huge performance.
The stage setup is impressive.
And the lighting, dancers, and special effects make it feel like a concert.
People around us are filming everything.
It's one of the most talked about moments of the Super Bowl.
I'd describe this as unforgettable.
That's a great word for it.
I'm tired, my voice is gone, and my feet hurt, but I'd do it again.
Same. It was intense, loud, and completely unforgettable.
And now we have so many stories to tell.
At work, with friends, even with strangers.
That's how real English practice happens, through experiences.
And the more experiences you have, the more confident you become.
And that brings us to the end of today's Super Bowl conversation.
We hope this helped you feel more confident using English in exciting, real-life situations.
Remember, you don't need perfect English, just clear communication and the courage to participate.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the English Talk channel, and keep practicing with us.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next conversation.
Take care and happy learning!